Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Now, with iOS 16, you can turn on the battery percentage so it appears in your status bar. To do that, make sure iOS 16 is installed on your device. Make sure your devices that support battery percentage. At the time of video, these devices that don't support battery percentage in status bar. This will be available for them in iOS 16.1. So, if battery percentage doesn't show, go to Settings. Select Battery. Now, turn on battery percentage. When you use low power mode, the battery percentage will always appear in the status bar.